During the start of the autumn session of the Meghalaya State Legislative Assembly today, members paid tribute to former President Pranab Mukherjee as well as leaders of the state such as H.S. Shilla and Simon Siangshai and other political leaders of the country. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, while talking about the late president, spoke about him as a great personality. About late H.S. Shilla, the Chief Minister said that the latter was an individual with exceptional oratory skills. Also about late Simon Siangshai, the Chief Minister made mention of him as a leader who had a strong connection with the people at the grassroots level. The leader of the opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, spoke that the two leaders, who were great sons of the soil, were loved and respected by the people. About the late President Shri Pranab Mukherjee, Dr. Sangma recalled the special connection with the leader who was always ready to guide people whenever necessary. Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Medba Lyngdoh, said that the passing away of the late president as well as the two state leaders is a great loss to the country and the state, respectively. Others who offered their condolences in the House included P.T. Saukme, Zenith Sangma, George B. Lyngdoh, Miralbon Aim, and also Adalbert Nongrum and independent MLA Lambor Malngyang.